To assemble the device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Carefully open the box with a sharp knife and remove the instruction manual. Remove the attachments and accessories from the box, including the airflow control handle, floor nozzle, casters, extension wands, blower tube, artificial grass floor nozzle, and brass brush tool. Lift the vacuum cleaner from the box. Release the latches on the side of the container to remove the power head. Remove all remaining accessories from the container, including the hose, crevice tool, blower adapter, dusting brush and screw packet. The cartridge filter and pre-filter are pre-installed.